Okay, so we're about to dive into how to make this theme compatible with the color module, which is what allows us to adjust the color. You remember at the beginning of this series, when we set the visual identity for this site, we adjusted the colors in the appearance section of the Bartik theme. Well, we can do the same with our sub-theme, but we have to make some adjustments first. Before we do that, I want to outline the steps that we just took in order to create and enable our sub-theme. So the first thing we did was create a folder inside of our Sites All Themes folder, and we named it the name of our theme, which in our case was custom. Then we copied over the .info file from our Bartik theme over to our custom theme and renamed it custom.info instead of bartik.info. We then opened up that file and we adjusted a few things. We changed the name and the description. We removed all of the CSS files and added an additional CSS file for our custom CSS. And then we added this one line for base theme where we set the parent theme, which in this case was Bartik. Through that one line, we're able to include all of the CSS files in the parent theme without having to copy over the CSS files to our current theme. We also get to carry over a number of other things that I'm not going to go into here from the parent theme. So once we've done all that, we have everything that we need for a functional sub-theme. But because we had a CSS file that we wanted to add, we went ahead and created that file and added a style to it so that we knew that it was being included on the site without looking at the source code. And then we enabled it in the appearance page. So not too bad. There's a few steps there, but they're easy to remember and do.